How to mend a puncture. When I'm riding, I always like to take a spare inner tube with me and slap it on, and when I get home I can fix my puncture, which is what I'm going to show you how to do here. And if I show you on little helmet cam here, that's where the hole is. It's in a particularly difficult place, which is probably why this one's just been left around. So the things you'll need: rubber glue, some chalk, a bit of sandpaper to rough up the surface, and a patch. Now, this is what you'll find in a puncture repair kit. You've got what you need there to rough up the surface. Get a bit of chalk on there afterwards. You've got the patches and the glue. We're not going to be using these. And these are the kinds of patches that you can use on the go, which just stick on and they can be a nice quick fix. But sometimes when you've got a slow puncture, the tricky thing is to find it in the first place. So what you might have to do is pump it up first, submerge it in some water, and you'll see the bubbles come out. So with your chalk that you've got in your puncture repair kit, you can mark where the hole is, and then you can use your sandpaper to rough up the surface. A little glue goes a long way. Spread it out and allow it to dry for long enough so that the rubber can stick to it properly. One thing I always used to do was not leave the patch on for long enough. But that looks pretty good now. So the last step in the process, just apply a little bit of chalk, and that's going to stop it from gripping inside the tyre. So I'm going to pump it up, and that's going to be the test, the true test, to see if it's actually worked. That's it. Apparently I've succeeded. It's holding air. So now it's ready to go back into the tyre. Thanks for watching.